Alright, so I just got back to Pittsburgh. So we're gonna check out the Cottage Lane first and then ground next. Alright, so we're here in Cottage Lane. We got one dumpster over here and the second one is over here. Got tons of garbage. So one is full. The second one is half full, I would say. Got tons of things over here. Alright, so Cottage Lane. For day 14, week 2. Cleaning up the whole house. So I didn't have a chance to take pictures or videos yesterday, so I'll do it today. Did the whole house planning yesterday with the GC. So I'll show you the inside. It looked terrible with all the garbages and waste and everything. So I'm gonna clean up and fix tons of stuff inside. We have a problem over here with the gas line. I applied to start a service, but the service is not on yet because the previous owner actually messed up the bill. He had to pay for it, and he was turning on the service without the gas company's notice from the curb, and they just cut the service off from the main to the house. So now the service will be on, so the company will take care of it, and they're gonna take care of the damages and re-asphalt over here. Now we're gonna go inside of the house. All right, so the gas line is over here. It's got a problem with the meter, so they are replacing the meter. They're putting a new one on the digital or something. I forgot the name of it. So all right, so this is the basement. The smell is still here. It smells terrible due to the smoke, poop, pee, and the water damage, everything together, mold, mildew. So the mold is here. We're gonna treat everything, remove drywalls and redo the whole thing. And then we removed all the garbages inside. Got a lot of HVAC ductwork damages, so we'll have to fix those. We're gonna have our dryer and then washer over here and then full bath over here. So we're gonna fix pretty much everything. What else we got? So everything's working fine over here. Once the gas is on, we're gonna check all the gas lines. So hopefully we'll have no problem with it. All right, so the plan is over here to put a wall, proper wall on both sides, cover up the ceiling, redo all the electrical, plumbing lines, and put a door over here. Probably we're gonna put 34-inch vanity, drywall up, everything, close this one. We're gonna have a wall on this side. This is gonna be just a storage and access to all the pipes over here, and the shower door will be on this side. So we're gonna have a big shower over here, and we're gonna close this window up and drywall everything. HVAC line should be somewhere here. Looks like we don't have HVAC line. It is here, but I think they closed or something. Okay, so we'll have to figure that out. So we got small room over here. And all the ductwork inside over here. So this is gonna stay the same. We're just gonna clean it up. Oh, okay. It looks like it did have a sump pump inside. So we'll see what happens. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this, so we'll see. And the room it's a pretty decent sized room. It's So it can be just a storage room or a kid's room. And this one is the biggest room here. So the staircase is on this side and the closet here. Got more closet on this side. And pretty much it's gonna be men's cave. So the staircase carpet is off. We took this off. Alright, so this bathroom is gonna stay the same. I'm not gonna change anything over here. So we're just gonna put a bathtub and the lines would stay over here. And the toilet will be on this side. And then we're gonna have double vanity because we have enough room and clearance. And vanity lights. The only problem over here is HVAC line. I'm not sure if this supply will be sufficient for this area because it's too small. And here, we're gonna remove this wall and that wall over there. This wall, it's gonna be open space, and we're gonna remove this wall as well, and then make a half bath over here. And the hallway will be through this area. So we're gonna figure out the measurements later on. So it's gonna be full bath over here, half bath over here, and dining area will be on that side so that we can have a better clearance for the kitchen and then sitting area. And the bedrooms will stay the same. We're just gonna change out the windows, redo the cosmetics. Gonna put bifold doors. Same thing with this bedroom. It's gonna stay the same. And this one is bedroom number 3. Same thing. So we got a lot of natural light, bigger windows. That's a good thing. All right, so this is the kitchen. It's a small kitchen for now. We're gonna remove the bulkhead. This and goes all the way to here, I would say. And this side is gonna be half bath. All these walls would be removed on this side, on that side, and then the kitchen will go from there all the way to here, one line. And we're gonna have kitchen island over here with the pendant lighting and everything. It's gonna be open space. We can have the dining area over there. I'll show you on the other side. So the dining area could be over here. It's gonna be small dining area, but that should be enough. And then children will be here. I'm not sure where we're gonna put the TV, maybe on this side. We'll see. Because we're gonna have a huge clearance, open space over here.